Applications were filed under the Administrative Tribunals Act 1985 by the respondents claiming parity between the presenting officer of the junior administrative grade and the law assistants. The respondents claimed that they were designated as presiding officer in terms of Section 19 within bracket 2 of the Railway Claims Tribunal Act 1987 bracket hereinafter referred to as the Act bracket close. The Central Administrative Tribunal Lucknow Bench bracket hereinafter referred to as the Tribunal bracket close inquired into the matter and in spite of resistance from the appellant's side held that all law assistants and chief law assistants including the respondents were authorized to work as presenting officer, that a reading of section 19 within bracket 2 of the act indicates that the presenting officer was equated with the legal practitioner, that the junior administrative grade officer also had the power to compound cases out of court and give directions about the conduct of the clauses before the court, that they were performing duties entrusted to them, and the applications who were law graduates or having degree of master of law were not allowed to claim even the ordinary grade of a gazetted officer, and they are placed in the group C category, that they are entitled to the relief they have sought for and granted the same by giving the following directions. The applicants who have been placed in one class of presenting officer be placed in the pay scale of group B immediately, and the same should be given to them with effect from the date of filing of OA, which is 25/1/1993. The respondents shall constitute a committee of experts within 1 month from the date of communication of this order to consider a suitable designation for the applicants and other similarly places officers authorized to act as presenting officers before the Railway Claims Tribunal and also placed in Group B as per our order in subpara A herein above. The criteria and procedure if necessary for their regularization in Group B. The avenues of further promotions of the applicants and other similarly placed persons with suitable grades thereof. The claim for kit and library allowance. The committee shall hear the applicants and similarly situated other persons and finalize its recommendations within 3 months. The respondents shall take a decision on those recommendations within a further period of 3 months from the date of submission of the report of the committee. While taking action as per direction in this subpara, the respondents may also take note of recommendations if made in this regard of 5th Pay Commission. Before we can consider the various aspects dealt with by the tribunal, we may notice a few decisions which have bearing on the present matter. In Union of India versus P.V. Hariharan, 1997 3 SCC 568, this court observed that the courts or tribunals ought not to interfere with pay scales without proper reasons and without being conscious of the fact that fixation of pay is not their function. Change of pay scale of a category has a cascading effect when several other categories similarly situated would put forward their claims on the basis of such change, which will lead to serious problems unless it can be clearly brought out that they were carrying on identical work and there is a clear case of hostile discrimination. There would be no justification for interference with the fixation of pay scales. Stop.